great profit. Nice. Please. What I'm having, as I mentioned earlier, all this, I mean, first of all, I didn't mention that, but I'm having I mentioned that I'm having $160, but I didn't mention that all these settings and the reasons why I'm using exactly these indicators in this video, or some other indicators in other videos, or in my Telegram private group. So if you are as always, the first bet is gonna be the health. I mean, as most of the times. Let's make it 95. What I see right here, there is no hint or no sign of reversal, and the candle is kind of hugging the lower boundary of the channel, and parabolic's are in the air and then confirming the downtrend. Though. So that is why I'm gonna be playing by the rules of the market. I'm not willing to go against it. I'm not willing to fight it. 35 seconds. Nice. Moving to Canadian dollars and francs. So we are having strong bearish trend right here as well. Let me bet 150. All indicators and oscillators, I mean the oscillator, they supporting the down move, but the entry point was not really that great. And based on that green candle, we can see that the sellers, they are not, I mean, there are a lot of sellers in the market, and they are not literally letting the buyers to, you know, grow. There was a tiny green candle, was a long head, and with the almost the same size of the tail. Well, there are a lot of sellers in the market, and that's kind of good for us, because in this situation we're trading for short. That's why kind of winning this. Golden hand though. This hand have been making a lot of thousands. $288. Profit was 138. $150 leaving here. Going for short, guys. First of all, taking a look at the oscillator, I can understand that. Large volume of the buyers push the price above the catnip midline, but the volatility is fading, so we made a great decision and entered at the top. And the main point here, if you took a look at the graph, there is the pattern that is very easy to determine, very easy to locate. Every next peak of the graph is lower than the previous one. So honestly, that was the main reason why I decided to go there. Am I here? Yeah. 1,138. I wish it was 1,000, but in this video I'm not using 1,000 here. Let me change it to 250. Guys, price is holding above the Katniss midline. The parabolics are in the air and there for a long trend. Thank you, sellers. Thank you for ruining my plans. But I don't really think you will succeed. Please. Don't prove me wrong. Buyers, they are just, I don't know, they're just, crushing the sellers. Look at the size of the tail of this candle. Look at the length of it. There is definitely a fight. You know, every time when I'm betting and after I'm placing an order or bet, I'm just visualizing and imagining how the buyers and the sellers, they just fighting literally with the swords, with the guns and everything, with lasers and everything. You know, it's so much fun in my, like, I'm shooting a cartoon inside my head, you know. But $230 of the profit. I'm not gonna be commenting that. I'm just putting 350 and going. Before I made the bet comments, going for short. Great profit, nice. We already have $1,000 here, but I would like to make last but not least bet that will finalize our video. Okay, let me put 400 right here and going for long, because we have some space until level of 18.87064, because we were testing that and we bounced back. Right now, I believe we're gonna be growing to that level again. We may broke it, because Parabolic Solar and Aroon, they are collaborating again, and they indicating that the price shall go up. In the meantime, guys, of course, during the video, it is quite complicated for me to, you know, explain some things in a detailed way, because, you know, I'm trying to win, I'm trying to make the profit, and at the same time I'm trying to simultaneously just provide you with valuable information. Sometimes I'm failing to do it, you know, I'm a human being as well, so you gotta be understanding that I'm not a robot. So the best way to learn is watching the videos, leaving the likes, and of course going to my Telegram private group, because here we go, $1,427 from $160, because this is very much, I mean, the tactic, it works in that way. Once you are watching, checking the information from the Telegram, I mean, receiving that, implementing that in practice. I'm not, you know, insisting or pushing you to make large amount of bets. No, you can start with $5, with $10, with 15, 20. It does not really matter. All the things that you're gonna be doing with your account is up to you. So do not forget about that. So as I mentioned earlier, do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It was me, Alex. Telegram private group in the link in the description below. It's gonna be right there. So thank you for watching, and